What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Lincoln Corsair remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2020 to 2026 Lincoln Corsair, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement key batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and I'm going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button that my thumb's on, and the key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down, and taking a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the emergency key. What I'm going to do is take my key and put it in that notch like that. Then I'm just going to angle up and push up on this back cover and pop that off. And that can take a good amount of pressure to get that cover off, especially if it's never been off before. Once I get that cover off, we can see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, or even something like with a point on it will do. You just want it to fit down in that little notch right there. So get your tool down in that little notch, and then we can use it to get on the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Get our old battery out, then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck that outer edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. Then we'll put this back cover on. If you notice on this back cover, there's that little tab right there. That's what I'm going to slide in first. Slide that in like that, and then snap the back cover down. Slide the emergency key in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.